Tailored Fertilizer Recommendations.
Video 20. Welcome back to Akilimo. In this video, we will go back to Farmer John and show how he can correctly apply fertilizer at the right dosage. Farmer John has just planted his cassava in his field of a quarter hectare. He planted 50 rows spaced 1 meter apart, each 50 meters long. 50 times 50 equals 2,500 meters square. That's a quarter hectare. He now wants to apply his first dose of 31 kg of NPK 15 to 15 to 15 immediately at planting. That means each row needs to receive 31 kilograms, the total amount of NPK for his field, divided by 50, the number of cassava rows in his field. That is 0.62 kilograms, which is 620 grams. So, each row needs to receive 620 grams of NPK fertilizer. With a simple small hook balance, John can weigh this amount for each row. He can use a small bucket and mark the weight of 620 grams to avoid needing to reweigh each time. Now John is ready to apply the 620 grams of fertilizer to the first row. On his first pass, he can apply a small amount to each plant in half-ring furrows, making sure that he has some fertilizer left at the end of the row, and then apply the remaining amount as he returns in the same row, remembering to cover the fertilizer with some soil. With every pass in the different rows, he will become more experienced to apply the right amount to each plant. John can also make it easier on himself and use bottle caps. Since John planted at 80 centimeters between plants within the row, he has planted 62 plants in each row of 50 meters. 50 divided by 0.8 equals about 62. That means he needs to apply 620 grams, the amount of the fertilizer to apply per row, divided by 62, the number of plants per row. That equals 10 grams per plant. Remember from our last video, a leveled water bottle cap contains about 5 grams of fertilizer. So John needs to apply 2 leveled water bottle caps to each plant. This is just an example. Every time you apply fertilizer, calculate the amount required per row or per plant and choose what type of bottle cap to use to help you spread the fertilizer equally across all plants. With time, you will become more experienced and be able to do this very quickly and correctly. Thanks so much for watching. You have almost reached the end of this video series. In our next and last video, we will give a short summary of everything we've learned. See you soon in our next video. Akilimo, we know cassava.